Hey guys, in the last few episodes I've been messing around with my brand new lathe. You can go back and check out those videos. In this episode we get a package delivered and it's from Bob Lee and we're going to unbox it. Let's check it out.
Most of my life I was into cars, but the last 3-4 years I've gotten into my wood shop, and I do have metal capabilities. I have 2 welders out in my garage with a set of acetylene tanks that I haven't played with yet. Okay. And I am going to introduce that into my channel eventually, you know, just some little projects with steel, and I'm going to make myself a pallet ripper tool to take pallets apart, stuff like that. And but I've always had a certain amount of abilities, because where some people have gone to college, my dad put me into a 2-year program. A lot of vocational education came my way because I wasn't college material. Most recently, or let's just say last Christmas, I turned a lot of handles for pizza cutters, ice cream scoops, bottle opener or bottle stoppers, and also in the most recent time I have been doing some simple slimline pens. I don't get off into the real exotic stuff because the slimlines are more affordable for me, and I kind of give those away as Christmas presents and things of that nature. So a lot of little stuff, couple of bowls I've done recently. But what was funny is when you said that you wanted to turn the lidded little box. That perked my interest because I've got 5 of those to do for this coming Christmas. Nice. So I'm kind of waiting to see what you do with yours so that I can learn from you. The kit that I sent you basically consists of 3 toolbars with 3 tips: a square, a round, and the diamond head. The kit will also has 3 blanks in it and 3 ferrules. And what you'll be doing is turning the handles for the toolbars. And then you'll create a tool itself that will be put together in a full unit. And you'll be able to actually be able to have a really nice handling tool that you'll be able to turn with. And yet the 3 tips on the ends of the toolbars will give you an advantage over the traditional tools, because they will stay sharp longer and you won't have to resharpen as often. In fact, I doubt if I've even touched these tools of mine in over a year. I replaced only the square because I use it the most. And the round and the diamond I haven't touched at all. I haven't changed them or anything. I just use them whenever I need them. So the advantage is the carbides will allow you to just turn them and you got a new sharp edge. So technically speaking, you can put a new edge on it for every project, or until you feel like they're not doing what you want them to do, you just turn them, and that gives you an advantage because you're not using the entire bit on the end of the toolbar.
Well, Bob, dude, what can I tell you, dude? I appreciate it so much. I'm so stoked. I'm gonna have fun, right?
That's what it's all about, man.
If you enjoyed it, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next episode. And check out the links. Check out Bob Lee's channel and go and subscribe and say, hey, that you saw this. See you soon.